Welcome to JD's Prep. In this problem, we want to find the solution to the equation negative 2 times 1 minus 4x equals 3x plus 8. So first, we're going to copy down the problem, make sure that we're paying close attention so that everything is copied over correctly. We have negative 2 times 1 minus 4x equals 3x plus 8. Since all we have is x, there's no x squared, there's no other powers or radicals involved, we have just a linear equation with one variable x. The first thing we can want to do with our linear equations is to distribute to remove any parentheses. So we're going to take this negative 2 here and multiply it by both the 1 and the minus 4x. If we do that, negative 2 times 1 will give us negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 4x will give us plus 8x. We didn't have any distribution to do on the right side, so we'll leave that side alone. And now we're going to add and subtract terms to each side of the equation so that we get all the variable terms, the ones with the x, on one side, and all the constant terms without the x on the other side. When moving to opposite sides of the equation, we want to make sure that we are doing the opposite of the sign of the term that we're moving. So for instance, if I want to move this 3x here over to the left side, since that's a positive 3x, I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides of the equation. That way, on the right side where it started, I'll have 3x minus 3x, which is 0, so they cancel each other out. Similarly, if I want to move the negative 2, the constant, from the left side to the right side, since I have a minus 2, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Because again, on the left side where the negative 2 started, negative 2 plus 2 will be 0, so they cancel out. Then on the left side, I'll have 8x minus 3x, which will leave me with 5x. And on the right side, 8 plus 2 will leave us with 10. The last step to get the variable of x entirely alone on the left side now will be to divide by 5. Because we currently have 5 times x, just like with adding and subtracting, if we want to move things to the other side of the equation, we do the opposite. The 5 divided by 5 will cancel out, leaving us with just x. And on the right side, 10 divided by 5 will leave us with 2. So our answer for the solution to this equation is x equals 2, which is choice number 2.